Hello everyone, welcome back to Tina Teach Grade 1 Math. Today we'll be learning about how to make 7, 8, and 9 bigger numbers compared to our previous lessons of 4, 5, and 6. First off, we'll be learning about how to make 7, okay? So I have a lot of flowers over here, and I have some bees. If you remove the bees, the total amount of flower is 7, okay? I'll show you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, okay? So now we're trying to figure out what are the number combinations that make up 7. And in a number sentence, we have two numbers, right? We have first number plus the second number equals to the sum, okay? So we're trying to look for the first number and look for the second number. And the first number will be represented by bees, okay? Bees is the first number, and then the second number is flowers. Now, the first way to make 7 is adding 1 to 6. Let me demonstrate. I have 1 bee over here. And I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. I have 6 flowers and 1 bee. What is 6 plus 1? It is 7, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, now I'm going to write the number sentence. 1 plus 6 or 6 plus 1 is okay too. 1 plus 6 equals to 7, okay? Now, let's continue to move downwards until we finish this whole bees and flowers. Second, we have 2 bees. 1 and 2. How many flowers do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So what is our number sentence with 2 bees and 5 flowers? 2 plus 5, right? And what is the sum of 2 and 5? It is 7. 2 plus 5 equals to 7. Okay, next up, 1, 2, 3 bees this time. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so what is the number sentence? 3 plus 4. What is 3 plus 4? What is the sum that we're looking for? 7, right? 7 is the sum that we're looking for. Now, this last row, 1, 2, 3, 4 bees, so I'm going to write the number 4 over here, plus 1, 2, and 3. Okay, 4 plus 3 equals 1. We have 4 plus 3, and we have 3 plus 4 over here. They are the same thing. So what is the sum down here? 7. Okay, it is 7. Now, since I'm running out of space, so I can't show you the different ways because there are more ways that you can make 7. You can continue to replace the flowers with the bees, okay? And you'll get more ways of doing 7. Next up, let's work on how to make 8. Okay, instead of bees and flowers, I have birthday hats and cupcakes. So let's start counting. What are we working with? how many birthday hats do we have? First of all, we have 1. Let's count the cupcakes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Therefore, we have 1 plus 7. Is that correct? Yes, 1 plus 7. What is the sum of 1 and 7? It is 8, because we're learning how to make 8, right? It is the same thing with the flowers and the bees. Next up, 1, 2. 2 hats plus, don't forget the plus sign. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, 2 plus 6. What is 2 plus 6? 8. We have 8 once again. Let's work on the next way of making 8. 1, 2, and 3. 3 plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 3 plus 5 equals 8. 3 plus 5 equals 8. Okay, last row. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, we have 4. Let's write in 4. Plus 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 plus 4 equals, you guessed it, 8. Okay, let's move on to our last number, number 9. This time we have pants and skirts. Okay, can you give me the first number of skirts? This row over here. Okay, this first row. How many skirts do we have? Well, it's easy to say. We have 1 plus. How many pants do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. We have 8 pants. 1 plus 8 equals 9. Okay, we're working with 9 here. Next up, how many skirts? I think you can tell. We have 2 skirts. 2 plus how many pants? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We have 7 pants. 2 plus 7 equals to 9. If you said 9, you are correct. Okay. How many skirts are we working with on this row? We have 1, 2, and 3. We have 3 plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. 3 plus 6 is another way of making what? 9. Let's move to the last row. How many skirts do we have here for the last row? We have 4. I'm going to write 4 plus how many pants? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, 4 plus 5 equals to, what are we looking for? 9. All right, we're looking for 9. So as I've mentioned before, you can replace the pants with more skirts and you'll find many more ways of making 7, 8, and 9. Now to our last exercise, correct the wrong numbers, okay? Well, we have some wrong numbers within these number sentences, and what we're going to do is we're going to find them and we're going to correct them. First line, 5 plus 2 equals 8. Is that correct? Is 5 plus 2 equals 8? Well, if we go to this slide over here, we can see that 2 plus 5 is the same as 5 plus 2. And what is the sum? It is 7, okay? It is not 8, but 7. Okay, 6 plus 3 equals 11. Is that correct? Well, no. If you remember in this skirt and pants slide, 3 plus 6 equals 9, okay? It is not 11, it is 9. Next up, 4 plus 3 equals to 9. Is that correct? Well, not really, okay? Let's go back to the slides. 3 plus 4 equals 7. So it is 7, not 9. Last one. 1 plus 7. What is 1 plus 7? I think we don't need to look at the slide for this one. It is very simple. If you have 7, you add 1 more. What do you have? Well, you have 8, okay? Not 6. You have 8. Thank you for watching. I hope that you understand all of that. Our next topic is going to be making 10, 11, and 12. So I'm very excited. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Learn today, better tomorrow. Goodbye.